Stop wasting hours waiting for the large files. You can unlock blazing fast download speeds on Telegram 2026 by switching to a dedicated SOC S or SOC 5 proxy, clearing your cache and activating the high data usage setting. So all I gotta do, right? The method number one is called the fast fix, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna enable the SOC S or SOC 5 proxy. Hit the three bars at the top left, go to the settings, press data and storage. Inside, you're gonna see a proxy button, right? If it's not available, that means this feature is not rolled out in your country yet. And then hit add proxy. You can also subscribe to Telegram Premium. Subscribing removes any media download speed limit on Telegram's side, allowing for maximum network speed. Okay. You can use also Telegram X. This is an alternative, faster version of the Telegram app with experimental features and better performance, especially on Android, right? The method number two is the network and device fixes. So disable any unnecessary VPNs. So if you're using iPhone, go ahead to the settings, general, scroll over down to find VPN and device management, and disable any VPN available. Okay, especially the free ones can slow down your connection. Sorry. If not using a dedicated proxy, try disconnecting your VPN. Switch network. Move from weak mobile data connection to a fast, stable Wi-Fi network. Lastly, what you're gonna do, close other apps that might be consuming your network. So just drag your screen and remove any leftover app or any unused app, okay, on your screen, because that might actually slow the Telegram download speed. So use the SOC proxy, enable premium, and clear cache. I forgot to mention that part. So clear your cache images, videos, any leftover basically to smooth things out. And of course, don't forget to switch up to a better network. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.